We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and our family.
Hello everyone, how y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Today we're making a delicious Dorito casserole, y'all. Yes, and here are our ingredients. Okay, let's get started. Okay, in our skillet we are melting our butter so we can pan fry our chicken tenders. I have rinsed off my chicken tenders and now we're seasoning them up. Here I'm adding some salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and some black pepper. Okay, here we're mixing all our seasonings in. This is how I do it. I just flip them over, so they all can have some season on them. And so our butter have melted, and now we're adding our chicken tenders to our skillet. And we're going to let them pan fry for like 2 to 3 minutes on each side, making sure they are fully cooked. As you can see, they have brown on the bottom, and so we're going to flip them over and let them continue to cook on the bottom side. While our chicken tenders are cooking, we're going to put together our sauce for our Dorito casserole. Here I'm adding in our cream of chicken and our cream of mushroom. And now we're adding in our chicken broth. Letting you know, if you don't want to use either or the cream of mushroom, you can use 2 cans of cream of mushroom, or you can use 2 cans of cream of chicken. Now we're adding in our onion and pepper blend. I'm using the frozen kind, but you can always use the fresh bell peppers and onions. I'm adding in a little chicken broth at a time until I get to the consistency that I'm looking for. Okay, our chicken tenders are ready and we're removing them from our skillet. Okay, we are back preparing our sauce. I decided to add a few more onions and peppers to our sauce because I love the flavor of the peppers. You can put as many or less as you prefer. Like I always say, make this recipe yours. Here we're adding our last ingredient to our sauce. We're adding in some rotel tomatoes, 1 can. We're going to let this simmer for at least about 5 minutes or until we shred up our chicken. Now it's time to shred up our chicken tenders. I always use 2 forks and just shred it up as best as you can with it. Our chicken is hot, and so letting you know you can cut these up into pieces, small pieces or large pieces, whichever way you prefer. I always shred mine into some big pieces, but make this recipe yours. I'm going to finish shredding up this chicken. I'm going to be right back. Okay, I have let our sauce simmer for at least about 5 minutes. And so now we're going to put our Dorito casserole together. Here I'm showing you our Doritos, which I have smashed. Okay, we're going to start off by adding our sauce to our baking dish, just enough to cover the bottom. Now we're adding some of our Doritos, shredded chicken, and now our cheddar cheese. And now again, our sauce. our chips, our chicken, and our cheese. And we're going to continue to layer until all our ingredients are gone. After layering our casserole, we're going to place this in a 350-degree oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Letting y'all know that I am preparing this dish for a party. This can be made ahead of time, so I'm not going to place it in the oven just yet. But when I get ready, I'm going to place it in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. And then we're going to cover it, and then we're ready to go. Y'all, this was so delicious, and everyone enjoyed it. Okay, like always, I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell to get our new and upcoming videos. And to all our new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome to our channel. Okay, y'all, as always, y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now. Love y'all, stay safe, and be blessed. Happy New Year to each and every one of you. Praying that you have a blessed, healthy, safe, and prosperous New Year. We love y'all.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and her family.
That's a hit!